Hello everyone, welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio. Look what I have. I feel like it came super quick this month. I did see the spoilers that Color Street put out, those mid-month spoilers, and the spoilers they came out with made me like, this is super cute. I was super excited for this, but then the spoilers they came out with, I was like, what? So anyway, I think it's a super cute theme. Sweet shop, candy, polka dots, like super cute. But I'm the spoilers they put out. I'm not sure if those were like mixes or if those were full sets. Anyway, I am very curious to see what is in this envelope this month. This is spoilers, so if you don't want to see, now's the time to click to a different video. Come back later when you're ready to see it. But if you do want to see it, or if you already got your box, here we go. Let's take a look at. This is April 2026 Color Play subscription. Um, Okay, super cute. See, this would have been so cute for Easter, obviously here the day after Easter, but super cute. Okay, so I'm excited. Okay, I'm I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, let's flip them over before we get too far. Okay, five full sets. That seems to be the jam. So this is Polka Party. So I'm expecting some dots. Oh yeah, see that's wild to me. But you know what? These by themselves are cute. I don't know that I will wear them all together, but I think mixed in with other things, they're cute. So I think that was probably one of the spoilers. And that's one, that polka dot is one of the matches the envelope. Now I know after last month's that there might be more than one that matches the envelope apparently. So pink pearl gumdrop. Okay. Maybe it'll be like an ombre or jelly. Okay. Cute. This reminds me of Every Pink Moon. It's got a flash to it. I would say there's more. I don't know if Every Pink Moon has as much glitter or it's a different glitter. I'm trying to remember. I feel like it's just shimmery. Like this one's got like the flash to it. And I'm not sure if it has the glitter in it. I have it right here. Let's compare. I know I saw it in my stash just barely. Let's compare. Because Every Pink Moon, I feel like is just a good all around pink, bubblegum pink, I guess. Here it is. And actually, I have a partial set and I have a full set, so let's just pull out. Okay, so Every Pink Moon is a little lighter, but they both have like that similar flash. And then, yeah, this has a really fine sparkle to it, I would say, almost just like a shimmer of glitter, and this has like thicker glitter. So, not the same, but I think both good pinks. So, there's your comparison there. Since I happen to have it. Okay, and then we've got Aqua Pop. Every Pink Moon was from a sub box a year or two ago. I don't remember which one, but Aqua Pop. Let's check this out. Okay, I see blue, teal. Oh, okay, that's always a win for me, like an aqua, and that's got a really pretty glitter. Like those minty in between blue green. This reads more blue, but it's definitely like a blue green, I would say. Aqua, I guess. So that's pretty. I like that one. Okay, confetti sprinkles. I wonder if this will be an overlay. Oh, could be. Or it could be over white. That's super pretty. Too bad this wasn't here for Easter. This was this like chunky speckled egg look, super trendy for Easter this year. That's super cute. There's a lot of fun things you could do with that. Okay. I wonder if it's an overlay or not. Okay, and then Candy Sorbet, our last one here. Oh, that's pretty. I feel like these might have been the spoilers. I don't know. That's much prettier in person than I'd expect. It's got some ombre between two different colors and then fades out. And there's like I don't know how well you can see it. There's like a square, like pixely pattern between them. And then it's got a really pretty, I don't know if it's purple or silver, maybe silver. It kind of reminds me of the glitter in, oh, what's the one that reminds me of Shapeshifter? I can't think of it now. It's from a sub box. Very pretty. All right, let's check out the pamphlet here. So, Sweet Shop, April 2026. I'll try to get it here on camera. Turn your manicure into pure eye candy with the Color Play Club Sweet Shop Curation. The April selection features candy-coated shimmer and glitter designs that satisfy your sugary cravings. Mix and match these delectable selections or whip up a custom nail look that feels and looks like a treat. I honestly, I like this way more than the spoiler. I think a lot of people, from what I heard, and I'm in a spoiler alert group, and so I always go there to check when they do the mid-month and then avoid it when the sub boxes are on the way because I don't want to see, the full spoilers. But I think a lot of people unsubscribed based on that because that's just it's kind of wild. Like it's a lot all in one mani. So that's unfortunate because these are really cute. I like them. So, which is what I would expect from this theme. So it seems like my style. So Candy Sorbet. So it's a glitter design. Bring on the sugar rush with this white glitter shade with multicolor pastel vertical gradients and a micro dotted design. So there you go. Micro dotted is what that design is called. And then confetti sprinkles. Just says it's glitter. We have a Candy Crush on this marshmallow white shade scattered with multicolor pastel glitter. So it's over white. I still like it. It would be fun as an overlay, and it's got a really pretty, I don't know if you can see, like hidden glitter, like translucent glitter. So when the light hits it, it flashes, and then you have these specks that I don't know if you'd call them glitter or matte glitter or just specks of color, but super cute. Yeah, I might just save that for Easter next year, or it'd be fun for like a paint splatter mani or like an 80s themed. Like, yeah, that's fun. Ooh, and if it's sheer at all, you could put over like a glow in the dark if you had like some party to go to. I don't know. That's fun. Okay. Aqua Pop. So it's the glitter. Pop, fizz, and sparkle with this semi-sheer soft aqua blue glitter with holographic sparkles. So yeah, holographic glitter. Very pretty. Pink pearl gumdrop. That reminds me of a pink pearl eraser, the name of it. And yeah. This blue, blue flashed. Okay, fun. Taffy pink shimmer is a sweet escape for your fingertips. And they just called it shimmer. I can't remember if I said that already. And then polka party. So shimmer overlay, overlay design. Top your manicure with sprinkles and this sheer overlay with multicolor circle gradient checked polka dot and plaid designs. Okay, that's fun. So they're thinking, you can have your candy or whatever and then top it with your design or sprinkles or whatever with this. This can be fun to play with. I'm more excited about this than I thought. So I'm excited to go back and look at those spoiler ones they put. Actually, they're probably in here in this pamphlet. I didn't look at the pictures. I just read the things. So let's look at the pictures. So here's the mood board for it. So ice cream, cupcakes, sprinkles, macaroons, frosting, all the pretty fun spring, very spring. Cute. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. I think this is one of the spoilers I saw. So I'm trying to see. They must have it over top of this, over top of the white one. At least, it might be all of them are over the top of the white, because if this is sheer, I bet it would not pop as much as. Oh, it says right here. Okay, polka party, confetti sprinkles. Is this confetti sprinkles? Yes. And pink pearl gumdrop. So they have this one maybe on the thumb there, or maybe the index. And then they've got this one with it. So, and then candy sorbet. Is this one? Candy sorbet with pink pearl gumdrop there. They just mixed them up. So those don't look sheer, really. Oh, candy sorbet. Okay, that's where we're getting the ombre with that one. Okay, cool. This one almost looks like, it reminds me of from the mermaid box, just the way it looks in that glitter dip, the blue reverse glitter dip. And so I was like, how did they do that? But no, it's the ombre from this one. So candy sorbet. I don't have all the names down yet since I just got this. So there it is just by itself. And then Aqua Pop and confetti sprinkles together. Here. Okay, so Aqua Pop looks sheer in this. See it there? You can see the difference over her free edge. Confetti sprinkles doesn't seem sheer. So Aqua Pop definitely has some sheer. I don't know if I'd go so far as to say jelly sheer, but It's definitely got some sheerness to it. So if you want to see sheerness tests, check out my stylist's YouTube page, Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I do have a link in my channel description, but I'm not sure if it's, I don't know, I'm not super good at those yet. So I'm not sure if it's like active to click on, but if you type in Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon, she should come up, and she always does a sheerness. Her box should be arriving today. So later today, I would expect by end of day, she should have her sheerness, and she pulls out the pinky from every set and tests it over. She likes to do it on top of, usually she'll get one of these that has the stripes. So she has all the different colors and she'll test out the sheerness. So I always like to watch those. It's super helpful for me to kind of plan my manicures with. So yeah, definitely check her out. She's awesome. But there you go. There's our April 2026 Color Play Club subscription. I'm a fan. These are fun. I wish it was here for Easter, but it'll still be fun for spring. And if not, I'll get to it next Easter, because that's how that's how things go. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope to catch you guys all out on the next one. Let me know if you have thoughts on any of these, what your thoughts are on this box. So talk to you guys later. Bye.